to fourth chapter of this Python tutorial. In this tutorial we will see about the strings, what is string and how we can perform various operations on strings. So if we say that what is string, then string is nothing but a character or a sequence of characters enclosed inside a quote. So if you go to this Python W3 school, you can see over here that string is Python. In Python are surrounded by either single quote marks or double quote marks. For example, hello or this hello. So both are same only. So if you write print hello in double quote, it will print the same hello, and if you write it in single quote, then also it doesn't matter, and like that. Then if you are assigning something a variable and then you write print a, then it will print hello. Similarly, if I come to VS Code, I'll able to make you understand better. So for example, now say let's say a equals to in double quote Sammy, and I write a equals to in a single quote Sammy. So it doesn't matter, it will print the same thing. So if I run the code, you see Sammy and Sammy. So if I have to write print a, right, print a, and here also I'll write print a. So both Sammy will be printed. There is no difference if you put it in single quote or double quote, right guys? Similarly, you can perform the slicing function on this string. So a slicing function means you slice the given things as per your convenience. So if I want to slice a out of this, I can do that. If I want to know the index of a, I can do that. If I want to know the number of repetitions of m occurred in this string, I can know that. So similarly, I will start performing the things. So in this case, what happens, the first letter whatever you write becomes the index 0. So it starts with index 0, then it comes to 1, 2, 3 and 4, like that. Alright guys, so consider this following string like Sammy, and when you write, if I write a 0 2, let's say 1 2 3, sorry 0 1 2 3 4. So if I write 4, then it will print me. If I write print, I'll come over here. So print a 0 to 4, it will print me the entire thing. You see SAM 0 to 4 it has done because this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So the last thing it doesn't take. So 0 to 4 means it starts with index 0 and goes till n minus 1, that is 4 minus 3, sorry 4 minus 1, that is 3. If I write 5, it will print the entire thing. See Sammy. If I write 2, so it will print me 0 1 2 Sam, it will print me Sam, sorry 2 minus 1, so it will print me SA only. So like that you can perform various actions. If I write is 0 is 2, now see it has done entire thing. If nothing is there, it will take the entire value. Similarly, if I write like 4, so it will print me till 0 1 2 3 SAMM, right? So this way, this is called as slicing guys. Similarly, you have skip value also. So if you want to skip something, you can do that. So if I write print a, for example, if I write 1 2 4 and I want to give the skip value as 2, so it will print the first this thing, that is 0 1, it will print a, and again it will skip one value m, and then again it will come to m, so it will print am. You see it has printed am. So basically it is coming from 1 to 4, it is starting, but it is skipping a value in between. So that is all about this skipping sequence. Then we have string functions, then we have also len function also. So if I write print len of a, so it will print me 1 2 3 4 5 length. It basically it prints the length of this string. So if I write like this, it will print me 5. Let's say if I write Sammy is a good boy, so it will print me, you see, 19 characters. Guys, this 19 also includes this gap, that is a gap also is counted as one string. So if I just remove it, and you see it will become 18. You see, it has become 18. All right, so this another function is, you can say that print if a is ending with, that is a is ending with boy. So I'll write a dot ends with then the string boy. If it is ending with boy, then it will print me true. If it is not, it will print me false. See, it is doing true. Let's say if I write boys, since it is not boys, so it will print me false. You see, if I write s, then it will print me true, which is the same thing. Alright guys, then there's another interesting thing is it can count the number of alphabets, the occurrence of alphabets inside a string. For example, if I want to count the number of m which has occurred in this particular string, then I can do that also. So I'll write print a dot count, and count what? For example, I want to count m, how many times it has. Print I'm writing because I want to see the answer over here. Okay, so I'll just play it, it will tell me 2. If I write m, then run it, then you see there are 9 times, this m is occurring 9 times. So similarly you can capitalize this entire thing also. So if you write print a dot capitalize, okay, so it will capitalize the entire thing. You see, capitalize, a dot capitalize, okay. I'm sorry, when you write the capitalize, it capitalizes the first, this one, the first letter of the string. So it will only capitalize this thing, this particular s. That is why a dot capitalize. Then you can find the word like print a dot find, and you can say good. I'm sorry, dot find good. So it is saying that it is occurring at the 17th index of, it is available in the 17th index of the string. So if you count this 1 0 1 and these were 9, so 9 to 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, this says that this is at the 17th index of the string. Similarly, if you write boys, so it will tell you 17th, this is 17th, so this is 18th, 19th, 20th, 21, 22, 23, so it should print 23, sorry 22, this is one gap only, it's not 2 gap, only 1 gap. Okay, so it will print to 22, so it prints the index of that particular word, the first index of that particular word. Similarly, you can replace it, you can have a function wherein you can a dot replace, I'll write replace boys with girls, so it will replace the, see, Sammy is a good girl, sorry, okay, so it has replaced the item. So anything you can replace is also, you can replace a also, it depends on you what you want to do. Okay, then similarly we have different kind of exercises in this, you can go through it. Check string, then concatenation is there, then string slicing, which I had told you. My internet is slow right now because of some reason, so you can go ahead with this particular chapter, and you can see you can modify strings, and there are n number of functions which are available over here. You just have to practice and see the things. Then you can concatenate the things, like for example, if I come to VS Code and if I write a equals to, let's say, Sammy, and then b equals to Jammy. Okay, so print a plus b. So if you see this, it is Sammy Jammy. What if you want a space in between these two? So what you have to write, a plus character, sorry, a quote in between, and then again plus. So this will provide a space in between. See, right? So like that, there are many functions available in Python which can be utilized by a programmer to make your life easy. So next tutorial guys, we will see some of the things with respect to lists and tuples, which is a very important topic, and I would recommend you to just go through this W4 school before coming to class, so that you will have a fair idea and you will keep on doing along with me. So that's all guys for this lecture. I'll see you in next lecture guys.